Business Technology Individual Project Presentation by Scott Karcher, Business 219, Cornerstone University.
CSX Transportation, otherwise known as CSXT, operates over approximately 19,000 miles of track within 23 states and 2 provinces in Canada, and operates in 70 ports while reaching out to thousands of customers with over 200 short-line companies. CSXT originated in the 1820s as the Baltimore and Ohio Railway Company, merging with the Chesapeake Bay to Ohio Railway. The 2 railroads would eventually fall under the umbrella of their mother company known as the Chessie System in 1973. In 1980, the Chessie System would eventually merge with the Seaboard and Coastline Railroad to create what we now know as the CSX Transportation. Retrieved from CSX.com. To operate efficiently over a vast network with a high level of redundancy, CSX has established a Wide Area Network, or WAN, to create a web link allowing for multiple system communications while headquartered in Jacksonville, Florida. CSX depends upon the WAN to operate its rail fleet, communicate with customers, operate crossing signals, dispatch operations, and allow for employee operations. A portion of the CSX system run in conjunction with network providers, which may include AT&T, Sprint, Verizon Networks, or other local providers. Trip optimizers, positive train control, and the end-of-train devices operate in conjunction with the WAN system, allowing for verification of train movements based on velocity, dwell time, and locations. Managers responsible for train movements utilize this information to maximize productivity and report to investors and customers. Combined network providers, trip optimizers, and a train device information systems create data for supply chain of management, Boltzmann 219, known as SHIP CSX. SHIP CSX is an electronic data interchange, business-to-business integration, mobile and interactive voice response system working to serve the customer, employees, and stockholders. SHIP CSX reduces data research time, errors in billing, rail car tracking, and rail car transaction notifications. SHIP CSX runs under EDI, allowing for supply chain visibility, supply chain planning, and supply chain execution, Boltzmann 219. Real-time data analytics ensure that the customer can locate and follow shipments. Stockholders can plan for investments, and transportation executives can make adjustments to assist utilization. SHIP CSX is a proprietary program allowing for confidential customer accounts. Customers conduct business to negotiate prices, pre-planning for future railcar pickups, and CSX employees have access to the way billing, that customer contact lists, during critical events such as thefts, derailments, or hazardous material releases. CSX employees also audit customer accounts to ensure that the users who have left the customer are removed, which reduces the possibility for breaches in customer confidentiality. CSX invests a large amount of money into the place's tremendous value on its information technology. Rail transportation is vital for the United States' daily operations, and CSX personnel are limited in what information they can access. Critical infrastructure personnel such as CSX police, environmental field managers, hazardous materials managers, and CSX risk managers use mobile applications for field use. Computer systems such as the Dell Latitude 5420, the Toshiba Takara Z40C laptops, and the Dell tablets, which are all employee choice computers, operate remotely from wireless fidelity systems, allowing for excellent field mobility. Access to CSX systems requires two-factor authentication, which utilizes Duo or Okta software. Laptop computers allow for faster response time to emergency issues from outlying posts and reduce costs in unneeded office computers. Laptop differences are small but advantageous to the operator. Dell Latitude is bulky, designed to take damage, burns CDs for evidence, and has a larger hard drive. Takara Z40C is lighter, has a larger screen, and designed for office use. The Dell tablet is more compact than both the Latitude and the Takara because it takes photographs and video, has high integrated Wi-Fi, and contains preloaded CSX programming to allow for quicker access into the CSX system. Limitations of the Dell tablet are smaller keypad, fragility, and a smaller screen. Identifying competitive advantages, Baltzan 219, is critical for the longevity of a business, which must produce strategies to accommodate for unforeseen disasters, whether natural or human-made. A well-run information system combined with strategic planning allow for such incidences to keep a business operating and competitive. The following analysis will cover the WAN, SHIP CSX, and laptop systems using the SWOT method from Baltzan 219. The SWOT method for the WAN is strength, real-time data, spans a large area, high-level redundancy. Its weakness, backup systems rely on the outside party to operate. Opportunities, integrate computers, real-time equipment inspections, increase smart railroad crossings. Threats, secondary Wi-Fi interruptions, external hacking. The SHIP CSX strength is internal user access, tailored system for a customer base. Its EID promotes value. Weakness is electronic reverse billing, proprietary among railroads. Opportunities is one-stop invoicing, billing, editing, account access, and the threats, internal customer auditing and customer monitored. Laptops strength, strong security, integrated software and Wi-Fi. Employee selection. Weaknesses are non-integrated software and Wi-Fi. Old proprietary systems do not integrate well. The opportunities are merged software database, combine Wi-Fi with new computers, and threats are hackers, outside party backup. Analysis for the WAN. High redundancy level systems combined with 2FA applications provide CSX WAN system high strength as it strives to deliver precision scheduled railroading through the use of real-time data. Though extremely efficient in the use of outside providers for the high level of redundancy, CSX should look into purchasing or becoming a stakeholder in mobile communications market. Becoming a stakeholder could allow for more decision power in the communications policy, which would eliminate the need for outside party backup. SHIP CSX is a tailor-fit customer-based proprietary EDI system. CSX employees can interact with customers and resolve problems relating to shipping issues. Because SHIP CSX is proprietary, customers must learn different systems for each railroad. Multiple system usage requires different user profile information. Electronic reverse billing may generate false billing for rail crews, as it shows a carload empty upon arrival without human interaction to verify if the car is empty or not. Customers who use SHIP CSX save money by entering shipping information rather than relying on the railroad to enter shipping information for them. CSX employees assist in reducing threat levels by conducting audits of the current and past users for SHIP CSX. Conducting audits allows for removal of ex-employees, updates user information, and reduces a redundant customer contact list. CSX benefits from the use of laptop computers and Wi-Fi systems by critical field personnel. Benefits range from the cost savings through the reduction of office computers, cover large areas, real-time mapping, and expedite response times for emergencies. Cost savings are evident by reducing personal MiFi packs and purchasing integrated Wi-Fi computers. The integration of old software and new software continues to hinder forward progress at small levels, but is evolving. As stated in the WAN analysis, I recommend that CSX become a stakeholder in the communications company to have a voice in the policy and not rely on outside party backups. I appreciate your time for looking at my video. Have a great day.